Hello students, uh, this is the program of swapping. Uh, okay, this program I have already told you, but some of you had complained that the voice is not clear in that video. That's why I'm repeating this program again. Okay, in this program you can see here this first there is some comment line. Here you can see the program number, the program title, and the author name. Here I've written my name. You can also write your name. Okay. After that, the first line is uh, import java.util.star. I think you know very well this line, because this line is used when we are going to use the scanner class, or the classes belongs with util. Here I have used this scanner class, that's why this scanner class, that's why first this package should be imported. Okay, after that the class name is there. You can write any name for this class. I have written prog1. Okay, the after that public static void main. Okay, then scanner, the object of the scanner class, then declare the variables. I have taken taken three variables: a, b, c. A for the first number, b for the second number, and c for the temporary purpose. Okay, because this is the swapping program, and I have already told you the logic, and according to that logic there's need of the third variable uh, that is used for interchanging the number. You'll see how. Okay, after that, this is the way by which we can take a number. First you have to write system.out.println enter first number, a is equal to sc dot next int. These two lines, if you are writing these two lines, this will take a number. Okay, actually the taking of the number is performed by this line only, means this line. Okay, this is for input operation, but the SOPLN line is used for messaging. Okay, after that the second number is here. Enter the second number, SOPLN, enter the second number, b is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, okay, before swapping I used printing operation. um, you can see here the message before display before swapping. Okay, the first number is a, the second number is b. For example, if you take a first number as 5 and second number as v, then here the display before swapping, first number is 5 and second number is 7. After that, this is the swapping logic. C is equal to a is equal to b, and b is equal to c. Actually it is not equal to sign, it is assignment operator. I have told you already this assignment operator. Okay, here c is equal to a means a is assigned to b, a is equal to b means b is assigned to a, and c is equal to c means c is assigned to b. Okay, after this operation I have written display after swapping. It means before swapping the display, what was the display, and after swapping what will be the display. Here you can see this is the display after swapping, the first number and the second number. Okay, after that just close the main and class. Here you can see main and class. After writing the program, you know just compile it. Okay, you can see here no syntax error. If no syntax error is there, it means your program is correct. Your program is right. After this message, just close this program and right click main. Okay, here you can see, enter the first number, I am giving 5. Enter the second number, I am giving 7. Now you can see before display swapping, the first number is 5, the second number is 7, and after swapping, the first number is 7 and the second number is 5. You can see here. Okay, it means this is the basic concept of swapping or interchanging the number using third variable. You can also use this swapping program without third variable. This is your program. You will write this program again without third variable. Okay, thank you.